Welcome to this video. This video is about providing a customer portal on your website and giving an overview of the customer portal. On the main menu, click on Settings and go to Preferences. Under the submenu, click on Website. Once you enter your website URL and click on Add Website, the system will generate a customer portal embed code. Copy this embed code and paste it into your company website, usually for a button like Login or Client Login. After embedding it on your website, your client can click on the Login button and enter their email address or mobile number. They will receive an OTP, and after verifying it, they will get access to the customer portal. This is how the customer portal looks. Your customers can view your firm information such as professional summary, skills, and other details by clicking on Firm Info. They can also view the questionnaires you have shared, proposals, selections, estimates, and invoices raised for them. Customers can see invoice-related details such as receipts, refunds, and credit notes shared with them. They can also track project progress based on the updates you make in project scheduling. Customers can view files that you have allowed them to access. If your customer wants to schedule a meeting with you, they can click on Create Meeting and book a meeting based on the availability you have set under Preferences. If your customer wants to view a proposal, they can click on View to preview it. They can add comments by entering their suggestions and clicking Save. Customers can also decline the proposal or sign and accept it by uploading their signature or drawing their signature and clicking Sign Proposal. Once the proposal is accepted, you will receive a notification that your customer has accepted it. The same process applies to estimates as well. Customers can view the estimate, add comments, or sign and accept the estimate. That's all in this video on setting up and using the customer portal. Thank you.